Good morning, guys. I don't know if you can see me. It is around 9 AM in the morning. I'm on my way to the office, but it's very dark outside. The rain radar, the buienradar, detected a large storm front coming with thunderstorms and everything. So it's not pitch black outside, but man, is it dark outside, and the rain is just about starting to fall. So yeah,
right.
Look at that. You can even see the beams of light from my car. Oh man, we're not used to that dark a weather. I don't know if it will be visible on the video, but it's constantly lightening at time. Was it all noticeable? Man, it's really starting to pour down. This is not normal weather for the Netherlands. Well, not many times a year at least. Oh, look at all that.
In 1 mile, turn left.
Well, I'm glad I didn't have this bad weather yesterday. Especially on those roads. Oh my god. Unbelievable. I'm just putting my windscreen wiper in overdrive. Well, I safely arrived at the office first. So, yeah, everyone else is ditching, I guess, because of the weather, perhaps? Well, we'll see them later. Or at least I'll see them later. And the workday is over again. Weekend, yeah. Hey guys, I'm back at HQ. So, I'm calling this the end of today's vlog. It's shorty. But yeah, apart from the bad weather, nothing really interesting happened today. Wish it were different, but on the other hand, it's nice to drive good roads for a change. Anyway, yeah, I hope I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be heading down to Leeuwarden, so that will be more interesting, I'm sure. Thanks for watching and see you there. Hey, cheerio!